Welcome to our video on the power of big data. In recent years, the amount of data we generate has grown exponentially, and it's changing the way we live and work. From healthcare to finance, big data is being used to make better decisions, improve outcomes, and create new opportunities. In this video, we'll explore the world of big data, how it works, and what it means for the future. Big data refers to the massive amount of data that's generated by people, machines, and systems every day. This data can come from a variety of sources, including social media, sensors, transaction records, and more. The volume of data we generate is so large that it's measured in zettabytes, that's 1 trillion gigabytes. But big data isn't just about the amount of data, it's also about the velocity, variety, veracity, and value of that data. Let's take a closer look at each of these verses. First, volume refers to the sheer amount of data that's generated. As we've already mentioned, this can be measured in zettabytes. But it's not just the volume of data that's important, it's also the speed at which it's generated. That's where velocity comes in. With the rise of real-time data streams, big data is being generated faster than ever before. This creates new opportunities for businesses and organizations to make real-time decisions based on the latest data. Variety refers to the different types of data that are being generated. This can include structured data, like customer data in a database, as well as unstructured data, like social media posts. The more types of data that are available, the richer the insights that can be gained. Veracity refers to the accuracy and quality of the data. With so much data being generated from so many different sources, it can be difficult to ensure that it's all accurate and trustworthy. This is a challenge that big data practitioners must contend with. Finally, value refers to the usefulness of the data. How can we turn all this data into insights that can help us make better decisions? That's the big question that big data practitioners are trying to answer. Now that we understand the 5 verses of big data, let's take a look at some real-world examples of how big data is being used. One area where big data is making a big impact is healthcare. By analyzing large amounts of patient data, researchers are able to identify patterns and trends that can help improve treatments and outcomes. For example, big data is being used to develop personalized cancer treatments based on a patient's genetic profile. In finance, big data is being used to detect fraud and manage risk. By analyzing large amounts of financial data in real time, organizations can identify potential fraud and take action to prevent it. Big data is also being used to make investment decisions, by analyzing market trends and predicting future performance. In marketing, big data is being used to target customers more effectively. By analyzing customer data,